The following video contains scenes that are not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. You see? Big up and respect. Alright. Now, viewers and subscribers, I am going to present to you a piece of an entire video that I will be recorded within a country that is known as Guyana. I do not know when the video will be recorded. The video that I saw shows some of the things that happened when law enforcers from within the country of Guyana went to a certain location within the country of Guyana to apprehend a person who at the time when the video be recorded is said to be wanted by the police within the country that is known as Guyana. Allegedly, it is said that the person had been accused of murder. The video also shows the person who at the time when the video be recorded was wanted by the police within the country of Guyana on the roof of a building. See? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you, but I want to please bear in mind that this video is going to show a situation that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see, nor even hear. You see? Now, the video shows more than 10 persons. In the video, you can hear a certain amount of harsh languages. And in the video, you can also hear when shots had been fired by the police within the country that is known as Guyana. And according to some comments that had been made on social media about the video or about the whole situation, I got the understanding that there seems to be mixed feelings towards the whole situation by persons on social media. You see? Anyways, here I'm going to present a piece of video to you, but this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video are not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and you can also tell me what you think. Observe with me. See, if you look properly, you can see, you know, a little image or up on top of the roof. Just look, see? Look, you see? Person, the right there up on the roof.
Me see no police here, I them there. Where the police they attack the media? Yeah. Yeah. Attack the media. What's going on? What the police doing in Leno Market? Them go ahead now up to now. Up to now, Posol and can't climb up. Posol, I got fucking gun and watch. One cutlass fly down there, I can't, you're unable.
So I know. Pure crazy things are going all over the world, my people. Pure crazy things are going all over the world. I tell my people, I tell them, you know. And look like all the sun hot and that the person that they on top of that the roof there. Eh?
Tag the media, the police carry the man at Len away.
Look like the sun all hot. See how amount of persons there?
No justice we could ever get from Guyana police.
More than 10.
And not that else traffic up to now, boss, all they can't go up there.
See person? Look good, you know.
I don't like to go up there and take the man down, man. You only have you see the man go up there and take him alive.
Yeah, watching the operation live. Yeah, bring it alive. Yeah, bring it alive.
Hold on there.
Get it alive and bring it in.
Show me the cutlass, man.
Hey!
Hold on, them look properly polished, sir. Which one is?
stop it. Look here, they're shooting again. Yeah, they're shooting again. Yeah, them shooting again. What's going on here? Yeah, what's the police doing?
What?
Yay! Hey! Jason! We are right there! Hey! Hey! Hey!
Jeez.
Give up yourself! Jason, give up yourself!
We are right there! We are seeing you right there! Hey!
Jeez, yo.
Look here! Put up your hand! Put up your hand!
Jason, put up your hand. You're playing no stuff in there. Oh.
Jason, put up your hand!
Oh, shut down the cutlass.
Jason, put up your hand!
Your cutlass, tell it you don't.
We are watching you right there!
Shut down the
Jeez.
cutlass, face.
Jason, climb down the ladder and come!
They don't want the family gonna talk to the boy for you surrender.
But him for surrender, is he just surrender because John
God, man. He
Jason!
some justice, Tona. He
Jason!
doesn't just get
Jason!
murdered. Just get murdered, touching. And this motherfucker said that all is by death for natural death. When they take pay, these crosses.
Jason!
These fucking people take pay and say fucking other brother dead from natural death.
Natural causes.
Fucking police system is a
Yeah, they
fucking
want the
crime.
family going, come, come,
Then them in line though.
Bye,
I
for
don't
the
mind
bike
the
come
thing
down,
is-
bye. Jason, come down. Show your cutlass down, Jack.
Show down your cutlass and come.
Show down your
Yo, man,
cutlass.
throw down the
Mr.
thing and
Jack.
come down, you.
Jason!
talking with them, who is talking with them?
Come down, you know, just throw down whatever weapon you have and peacefully come down, you.
Jason! Put up your hand!
Cutlass.
Put up your hand!
Put the cutlass down. You
Jack.
can't hurt.
Yay! Put up your hand, brother! Put up your hand in the air!
You can't hurt. Come down. Take a rest. The fuck you
Put up your hand in the air!
Shit. Who do, man?
I don't know.
Yeah! Yay! The ladder down, there we push it down.
Jesus and peace, people.
Jason!
This rough.
Jason! Put up your hand!
Aye. No, you don't.
Hey!
Before you come down, the people don't put up the hold on, and the people let them come down.
Yeah, they're shooting already, man. Oh, God. It look like somewhere by your waist. Where you go for them, then no help. The quickest thing is to come and shoot bullet. There's a big demon, girl. The same man is a big demon here.
Jason! Jason! Put up your hands and come down.
Jason!
How much one the man
Put up
want?
your
I'm
hand!
begging you just put up your hand and come down.
Yeah.
Jesus
Yeah.
peace.
Where the ladder? He pushed down the ladder or they're right there? Is that right there? The ladder, they're right there. Put the, oh my God, oh.
Just throw down whatever weapon you have you and just surrender.
Make it stubborn.
Hello!
Jason!
Jason! Oh my God, oh. Jason! Oh!
Jason! Jason! Put up your hands and let me collect you.
He's on some mind, that's why he ain't responding clearly to people.
Yeah, you can't from him, never to talk to him closer. And he don't come down.
My gosh.
I would go over there, but I don't want nobody go. Let the bike family then go talk to him for come out.
See it.
Yeah, that's two sisters, baby.
You can see him on the roof, you know, my people, if you look, you know.
Jason! 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 Put up your hand! 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 Hey! Throw down the cutlass! Throw down the cutlass!
Put up your hand!
Throw down the cutlass!
Put up your hand!
Put up your hand! Hey! Hey! Surrender! Put up your hand! Put up! Throw the cutlass! Throw the cutlass! You don't trust them neither.
Don't show your cutlass, youth.
What other people shoot this fucking mighty buck? Eh? You're shooting the mighty buck!
Jason! 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 Don't do it!
Put up your hand! Oh my God!
Jason!
Put up your hand! You don't trust them, you won't put up your hand, but wow. You attack the media! You attack the media! We don't want the police kill this boy out here this morning. No, there's one. They shot some like man.
Alright, now viewers and subscribers, according to some comments that I saw on social media, I got the understanding that there are mixed feelings towards the situation. You see me I said? Yeah, because some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the police should not have fired shots at the person. You see me I say? Yeah, and allegedly it is said that the person might have some form of mental health issues. I'm not sure about that, I don't know, you know, but I'm just telling you some unconfirmed information that I got. You see? Yeah, and allegedly it is said that the man had been shot by the police. I cannot confirm that either. You see me I say, people. But there are comments on social media that gave me the understanding that a lot of persons are satisfied or commending the police on the way how they handled the situation. So may I say, people, yeah, the man was on top of the roof, you know. The man was on top of the roof. Alright, my people, so we just make you know about that video. You know, you can tell me what you think about the situation shown in the video. You see me, in my point of view, if that man really and truly, and that is if that man really and truly murdered someone, then I guess the police them just do their job the best way they can. That's how me look on it. You see? So yes, I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall, skilla, and big up on yourself. You see?